ensure you flip with the amount you can afford to lose. Okay, so I started with $1 since afternoon and I flipped since evening and I flipped to 4. So I want to continue with the whole capital again and let's see how much we can flip it to. Okay, so let's go guys. Alright, I just took one trade now and it was successful. Even though the trade I'm not supposed to take it, but I take it because I was like, this is the massive push up to the down is too much. I checked the higher time frames. I get to realize that this around this place is the limit. So I just start to do the entry. But now what I will do now is if the market could come back to this zone here, I'm going to enter for uptrend again. So let's see how it goes. Alright, again, so as I said, but this time around I wait for the market to come to this zone here, and which I believe that if it comes to this zone here, it should start going uptrend. Now all of these things I'm doing at the moment is not how I do my trading on a normal day, because on a normal day I'm meant to go out of the market because I'm not seeing my point of interest, I'm not seeing my zones, and at the moment downtrend has expired already. But in as much as this is a flipping market, I had to take the risk, it's part of it. So let's check the outcome. Okay, this is going to be a win trade. This is a win trade. Alright, so this, okay, from the look of things now, this has break this zone here, and this is going to be my point of interest, and this is going to be my stop loss. So I'm looking to purchase for downtrend, even though downtrend has gets to its limit, but it is still pushing. I don't know how and I don't know why. I'm expecting an uptrend, but from the look of things, this downtrend power is much. So let's wait. Okay, it has touched that green. I need it to be more clearer to the upside. Then I enter for downtrend. I need it to be much more clearer to the upside. To go to the upside. It's touched the green, yes, but I need it to touch it to the upside, then I purchase for downtrend. So let's wait and see. Alright, so it breaks it to the upside, then I entered for a downtrend. So let's see the results. This should be a downtrend. Yes, this is exactly how I take my trading on a normal day. This is exactly how I do the trading, but I have this fear of the market is already at its lowest peak. Okay, but at the same time we are believing this thing to go as we have planned, and I had to enter this because this is a flipping market. Of course we don't want to, we take every trade takeable, you understand. Alright, This is a winning trade also. This is a winning trade. Alright, let's see if we can get more entries. So do you know why I was literally scared of taking a downtrend market? And it's not even giving us uptrend market. Like it's not giving us that bullish thing we need. The reason I'm scared is because this thing has get to the peak. Look at it, look at the way it was trending. Downtrend. It has get to the peak. It has break all the lows. Can you see? It has break all the lows. So we believe that any moment from now, a reversal to the uptrend should start coming in. If you check 5 minutes or so, it has break all the lows on 5 minutes. Can you see that? So I feel like this is getting too much. An uptrend should start coming in. This thing should switch, change of character so that it can start going up. But to my greatest surprise, it keep breaking down. So to some point, when we see my real entry, which is my point of interest, I was like, yes, this thing is going to go down trend. But at the same time, I was skeptical that we are at the peak of downtrend already. It has break all the lows. Any moment there should be a reversal. But from the trade, you were able to see that everything went all the way down. So now what we are expecting is I don't need more down again, unless if I'm to be taking a downtrend at the moment now, I will be somehow not fully confident. So all I need is a massive up uptrend market, in the sense that if this current market should break this high here, of course that's a valid signal. So I need an uptrend market. So this is going to make us quit um, trading for now, because I literally thought I could see more opportunities in the market so I can flip that amount. But since I'm not getting opportunities, I think I have to just stop it and do my normal trading the way it should go. Okay, so even if someone wants to take a risk, the risk should be calculated, right? Alright guys, I went to go and check the higher time frame, and I see the main reason why this market is trending. The reason this market is trending down, and the reason is because the higher time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, as a scalper, our highest time frame is 15 minutes. So, and I could say that it has taken all the lows in 15 minutes. Of course, then uptrend should start coming in. But after taking all the lows up to 15 minutes, it still keep going down. That's because the 1 hour time frame is on a downtrend, and it has not taken the lows of that. And here is one of the low here. This is also the low of 1 hour time frame. This is the low of 1 hour time frame. So even if I see a downtrend signal now, I'm going to take it confidently. But at the moment, from this, I would have preferred uptrend signal much more better than any downtrend signal. So let's wait and see if we are going to see any entry. Alright guys, I was able to see multiple entries. Like, this is going to be my second trade I've taken without recording it. So let's see the results. Okay, it's going uptrend, and by the end of this trade, this is a win trade already. So we've earned extra $1 from the look of things. Extra $1 has been earned, even more than $1, right? I think, yes, more than $1 has been badged. So let's go again and wait for entry. Let's wait for entry again. Alright guys, so I saw another entry and I took the trade. I saw an uptrend and I took the trade, and this is uptrend market. So it's already late. This is um this is midnight. This is a new day. I need to go and rest. Okay, this is uptrend. So this is going to be my last trade, or if this should break above, okay, then I can wait and take one more trade. But if it doesn't break above, it keep coming down, I'm done. This should be my last trade. So let's see the result. It was a win one. Alright, I have two entry. It's either this or this. So if it's coming down, I'm targeting this. If it's going up, I'm targeting this. So let's just conclude everything to $6, so we know that we make extra $2.15. So let's wait for the outcome. Alright, I'll wait patiently. Alright, so I've saw a signal, so I'm waiting for my entry. The current market should go back to the green line, and I'm going to purchase for downtrend. So let's wait and see. Let's wait. Okay, it's going. Alright, I need one more movement in the back. One more. Oh, okay, one more. I need one more to the back. Alright, so this is a downtrend, and I purchased for downtrend. So let's see the results, guys. Let's see the result. This is where my stop loss is on a nonce. If not that there was a fast move, this is where the stop loss should be. But because of the fast move, the barrier, which is the stop loss, was at this blue zone here. But nonetheless, we believe that it can't get to this red zone, and if it gets to this red zone, this is our major barrier, so it can't get it. But from the analysis, it can never get to this red zone in 2 minutes, so which means we are going to win this also, and we are done for the flipping. So we flip 1 to 6. That's massive. 6.15. This is a downtrend, guys. This is massive. We are all done. Happy Sunday. Today is Sunday. I'm already feeling sleepy. I've been feeling sleepy since I had 10. I'm just mad. Okay, so and it's a win. Boom. This is massive. sinking in. Alright guys, see you guys